ordered Korean spam silog and with a drink of mango milk latte. So I would say the Korean spam silog was flavorful and satisfying. The spam was perfectly cooked while the mango milk latte was flavorful, creamy, and refreshing. Definitely worth trying.
Hi everyone, so I ordered sizzling pastil salad and I paired it with ube latte. And as you can see, I finished everything. And what I can say about the food trip I had is that it tastes good. Ang sizzling, ang sizzling pastil is very spicy. But if you paired it with the rice, daw hindi man siya gaano naging kapahap. Though ang spiciness ng pastil accompanied with the rice is now nagkabalance siya together. And sa ube latte naman siya, and when it comes to the ube latte, it tastes good. May ara part nga mapait na ara part nga matamis, which is very okay lang man sa panlasa.
So, hi guys! I ordered the blueberry latte and the Hungarian syrup. So for the Hungarian, it's very flavorful and it has this spicy flavor in it. So very common naman ina siya sa mga Hungarian na mayroon siya sang spicy flavor. And very peppery siya guys, which is I like it. Favorite ko ang mga peppery sa food. And when it comes to the drinks naman, I ordered the blueberry latte and I can say that it is a perfect combination man sang milk and some flavor sang blueberry. And namiagid ko sang ilang drinks because it is very creamy and very refreshing. Thank you.
So hi guys, I got here the Korean spam silog and strawberry latte. This is only for your spam silog is only for 119 pesos, but you'll get it in 159 kung mag-order ka mo plus ng drinks. And ang ilang spam, hindi siya typical na spam nga ma-buy lang ninyo sa mga groceries and it's Korean. Dahil hindi yung flavor sa iba niya spam. And for me, it's 9 out of 10. Kay pag-upis ako, hindi siya mainit. And ang taste ng strawberry latte, nami siya guys, ay ang milk ko gigamit sila strawberry latte guys. May sama, ang normal lang ang milk. May wala yung share sa milk sa tanang mga pilawan nila sa mga cafe. Anong ilang yung strawberry jam, yung taste ng talog. Sabi yung mix. And it's very good guys. So try it. 3-7 lang.
Hi guys, so I order Korean tapsilog and at tapsilog.
Gwapo ka di ba Lazay?
Guys, huwag naming lighting na. Dumat.
Ay maputi siya.
Hi guys, so I order spam silog, Korean spam silog and my favorite matcha latte. So I recommend na try nyo with this combo because the spam silog and matcha latte is perfect combination. Thank you guys and
So hi guys, I ordered sizzling pastil sizzling. Very na gusto ko nito siya kay perfect yung combination of eggs at sizzling. And then may ano siya yung spicy which is gusto ko kay I like spicy. And then I ordered cocoa latte very creamy. So I rate mo sa pila. Kasi kung yung kasi na So I guys, I'm gonna rate this cocoa latte at 9.5 over 10. And I'm gonna rate this sizzling pastil sizzling at 10 out of 10. Nick, go!
Gailan mo na lang ito, Nick.
Go.
Go.
Hi guys, my name is Nick Fernandez.
Liwata kami nagagawa.
Hello guys, I am Nick Fernandez. My order is mango milk latte. So pag-try ko ni guys, very sweet and very good for me. And saboroso sa guys trip namin. So, thank you guys.